Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and today we're going to make something really good. You guys, have you heard of chocolate eclairs? They're like a donut. Well, we're not making a donut. We're going to make a dessert that's called a chocolate eclair, and it's kind of like a cake-like, or it's like between a cake and a pie. You just kind of combine them. So I thought this was going to be neat. This is inspired by Nicole in all recipes. And I thought, wow, this is really good. I didn't even think about it. I'm like, I haven't had an eclair in a long time. But this, you could make it and share it. We're going to use a 9x13. I have one right here. And you're going to need 3 cups of milk. You're going to need 2 3-ounce packages of instant pudding. Okay, and it's vanilla. You're going to need some graham crackers. Okay, any flavor that you like, because this is going to be your cake. Okay, and you're going to need some chocolate chips. So let's get into this. Let's get this party started, and I'll bring you down to the workstation. Okay, let's see. All right, first we're gonna put our graham crackers in. Okay, and I couldn't tell you how many packages this is gonna take, so we'll go from there. These are just the honey kind. You could use the cinnamon. That would be pretty good, I would assume. And we're just gonna place these all in here, just like that. Okay. These are going to overlap, but that, hey, why not? All right. And we need one little piece in this corner. Okay. So that's our first layer. Okay. So let's put this to the side. And now we're going to be making our filling. So you're going to open up your 2 packages. And I'm using a hand mixer. You could mix this by hand if you like, or use a hand mixer. Whatever is the easiest. And I'm using 3 cups of milk. Okay. Instead of the 4, like it'll say two cups per box. But, whoops, my stand is like to fell all over. Hold on, guys, let me fix you. All right. it's a party foul. Make sure that you take out your Cool Whip before you start making your dessert for maybe about 15-20 minutes to half an hour. It's an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, or you can make your own whipped cream if you like. I'm using the Cool Whip. Why not, right? So we're going to fold that in. I have it soaking in some hot water real quick and to get it defrosted, and I'll bring it right back. Okay guys, I popped it in the microwave and defrosted for 2 minutes. It'll work better. Anyway, let me bring it back down. Okay. All right, so the pudding started setting up, but that's okay. We can fold this in. And we're going to use the whole content and since it's still a little frozen in the middle, I'm going to get my beater and we're going to beat this up again. Okay. Okay. This is like what not to do. So we're just going to smush this up in there. Whoops, sorry guys. So we're going to mix up a little bit. Okay. Since now we got that all done, we're going to put it in our 9x13, and we're going to use half of this on the bottom. Move you guys around. How's that? Okay. All right. I'm going to use about half. And I'm going to spread it out. And using 3 cups of milk made it really nice and thick, along with the Cool Whip. And guys, you can have this in the summer. Wouldn't that be great? Just needed a little bit more there. Okay. Now we're going to put some more graham crackers. So you're going to need about maybe 2 packages. Maybe not even that. And just place these right on down. Perfect. And now we're going to scrape the rest of it in. Perfect. All right. And we're going to spread this all out. And guys, this would be great for picnics, even church functions. You know, when you need to bring a cover dish or what have you. It's really simple to put together. Okay. Now, let's make the chocolate topping. Okay. Okay, guys, I have a little over, it's about a cup and a quarter of heavy cream. I'm going to pop this in the microwave and get it nice and piping hot, maybe for about a minute or two. And I'll show you what we're going to do, how to make our chocolate. Okay, guys, it took about 2 minutes. And I have a whole bag of chocolate chips here. And there's a 12-ounce bag. Okay, so we're going to pour about that much milk. And we're going to start stirring this up. And I think you call this a ganache. I think that's the word. Doesn't look like much right now. Okay. Now we're going to pour this over our chocolate. Over our dessert here. Because this will set up really quick. Get this all nice and spread out. And Nicole, if you're watching, oh, I know I did some party fouls, but hey, girlfriend, you rock this stuff. Okay, guys. Here is that. Look at that. That is just amazes me. It's super, super, super duper easy to make. Hey, I made one. It's awesome. Yeah, it's not as smooth as Nicole's, but hey, it's edible. They'll have some chunks of chocolate in there. They'll never complain. Anyway, guys, I'm going to pop this in the fridge, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. And don't forget, subscribe and give me thumbs up if you like this video. And anyway, guys, do some comments down there. I love to hear from you guys. I loved interacting and throwing ideas off of each other. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Love you. See you in the next video.